If you are maybe someone who likes to go on hikes, you like to go camping, maybe RVing, whatever, and you are looking for a compact seat, then this is the little stool for you. So cool. It folds down. What we're going to do is we're going to unlock it. So it has a little lock here. You're going to unlock it. You're going to put your fingers in the holes, kind of like a bowling ball style. You're going to pull it open and twist as you go and lock it into place. Make sure it's all locked in. Pop it down anywhere and you can have a nice little sit down on it. So comfy. It feels like it's not going to take your weight, but honestly, it really does. I've had people who weigh a lot more than me sit on this and it is totally fine. Such a great little stool. Maybe you're having a fire pit or something like that and there's not enough chairs. And this is a really handy solution for that. So awesome. And simply to pack it up again, you just do the reverse of what you just did. So we just give it a little twist, it folds on down, and then you just lock it into place, nice and easy. Got this strap here so you can clip it onto anything. You got a Velcro as well, so if you need to loop it around something like a backpack or I don't know, hook it onto something, hook it up, whatever, that kind of thing. It's small, it's compact, a great little seat solution. So highly recommend it. Definitely go check this one out.